Hello everyone, I'm Gayatri Kelkar and welcome to my channel Food and Magic. In this video, you will see an interesting recipe of soupy noodles made with Maggi. Yes, everyone's favorite Maggi. This soup is spicy, loaded with colorful vegetables and tastes tangy too. This is a perfect recipe for these winters as it is loaded with veggies and is ready in just 10 minutes. So, without further ado, let's begin the recipe. Let's take a look at the main ingredients. Here I have a carrot. I've taken one carrot and sliced it into round shape. A small piece of cabbage which I have finely chopped. Some boiled corn, 3/4 bowl of frozen peas. You can take fresh peas, half a capsicum finely chopped, 1 green chili finely chopped. If you're making this for the kids, you can keep the pieces big or avoid this. Here I've taken a Knorr soup cube. Here I've taken a vegetable soup cube. You can take the chicken one as per your taste. I've taken Maggi from 2 packets. This soup is just enough as a complete meal for 2 adults. Besides this, I have finely chopped garlic, tomato ketchup, little bit of soya sauce, and for the zing and the spice, I have red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of butter, salt to taste, and 600 ml of water. Let's start preparing the soup. Here I have heated a kadhai and to this I'll add 2 tablespoons of butter. To this add 1 tablespoon of garlic and saute it lightly. Do not let the garlic change its color. The more you fry it, the more taste or aroma it will lose. So just fry it lightly. Don't let it change the color. To this I'll add the peas as the peas and the corn will take a long time to cook, so we'll add it first. Add the corn as well. And mix it well. We're just going to saute this for around 15 to 20 seconds. To this I will add the green chilies as while sauteing it will leave a nice spicy taste. If you're making this for the kids, avoid the green chilies at this stage or avoid it completely. Now add in the carrots. And mix well. Here now at this stage I have sliced 4 to 5 mushrooms. I had not done this earlier because they change its color and turn black. Now add little bit of water, around half a cup, and add in the soup cube. If you add too much of water, the soup cube will not melt completely and will create lumps. Keep stirring this till the time the soup cube melts. Within a minute you can see the soup cube starts dissolving into the water and you can see the water starts turning milky. At this stage you can monitor whether the whole soup cube has been melted or no, or it is lumpy. When you add the complete water you can't make out, and then while eating the soup you get a big lump of the soup cube. So just to avoid that I have added little bit of water. Once the soup cube melts, add in 2 glasses of water, that is 600 ml of water. The capsicum I'll be adding last to maintain the crunch along with the cabbage. Now let's add in the chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. Soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. And about 3 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. This soup will be spicy, zingy and tangy. It will be like hot and sour. Mix well and let all this mixture boil. Add salt as per taste. Remember, the soup cube has some salt content, so be careful. Also, you would be wondering what will happen to the Maggi masala. In the next few episodes, I'll be coming up with some interesting recipe using the taste maker available in the Maggi. So just wait for the videos and watch what is coming up. Once the water starts to boil, I'll add in the Maggi noodles. Just break it with the spoon so that they start cooking well. This takes about 5 to 6 minutes for the noodles to cook. If you keep all the ingredients ready, believe me, this soup is ready in 10 minutes. So there are no long hours of waiting in the kitchen and preparing. When you want a quick meal or a healthy snack for the children, this is so perfect for the winters. And it looks so colorful and palatable. Now let this boil for around 7 to 8 minutes. At this stage, to add more spiciness, I'll add in the black pepper. Black pepper is good for the throat. Add in the mushrooms. Mushrooms are added last because they cook very fast and we don't want overcooked vegetables. I'll add in the capsicum and the cabbage because we want all the vegetables to be crunchy. Mix well and let this boil for another minute or so. At this stage, this is completely optional. Now I'm going to add a little bit of corn flour. I've dissolved 1 teaspoon of corn flour in half a bowl of water just to give some volume to the soup. This is completely optional. If you like a watery soup, it is equally tasty. And thus, this is the reason why I have not shown it in the main ingredients. Once you add the corn flour, remember that let it boil for a minute so that it gets cooked. You can see a lot of corn flour is remaining, which I'll not be using in the soup. Now I'll turn off the gas and it's ready to serve. So do enjoy this piping hot, healthy soup, and if you like my recipe, do try it out and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Dig into this bowl and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video.